We're used to searching for history with shovels, trowels, and excavation sites. But what if the biggest secrets of the past are too small to see, hidden in molecules, atoms, and the very structure of matter? In this new age of discovery, scientists are going beyond the surface. They're putting ancient objects under powerful microscopes, performing chemical tests, scanning with lasers, and peeling back the layers of time, one electron at a time. And what they're finding might rewrite everything we thought we knew about Earth's forgotten past. Welcome to the frontier of technosignature detection. Not in deep space, but in deep time. Let's start with the basics. When scientists study ancient tools, pottery, or fossils, they often look for tool marks, residue, or traces of processing. But now, using scanning electron microscopes, mass spectrometry, and X-ray fluorescence, they can see beyond the obvious. They can detect traces of synthetic compounds, elements arranged in unnatural ratios, and even microstructural patterns that don't match any known natural process. In short, we're starting to look for signs of engineering, not just wear. Consider this. If a civilization had existed 100 million years ago and had advanced technology, its remnants would likely not be recognizable to the naked eye, but they might still exist in the form of alloys, glass, or nanostructures embedded in rock or sediment. And these remnants might show characteristics that can't be explained by volcanoes, erosion, or natural chemistry. For instance, there are rare instances where scientists find metallic spheres with perfect symmetry in ancient rock layers, or zircon crystals that contain radioactive isotopes in non-random patterns, which suggest possible artificial manipulation. Even more intriguing, carbon nanotube-like structures have been discovered in some meteorite samples. While the current explanation is natural formation under high heat and pressure, the resemblance to human-made materials is uncanny. Could similar structures be hiding in Earth's crust, waiting to be noticed? But the hunt isn't just about materials. It's also about anomalous energy signatures. Some geologists have measured strange magnetic fields around certain ancient sites, fields that don't match local geology. Could these be remnants of lost power systems? Or are we simply misinterpreting the natural remnants of Earth's past? Here's where artificial intelligence becomes a game changer. New machine learning algorithms can scan terabytes of geological data, satellite images, or chemical databases, looking for patterns humans would miss. AI doesn't get tired. It doesn't carry assumptions. It just sees anomalies and flags them. Imagine training an AI to look for non-natural symmetry, repeating elemental distributions, or unlikely combinations of materials in ancient rock samples. It could reveal entire layers of buried history we've overlooked for centuries. And some researchers are already doing this, quietly, cautiously, aware that challenging the timeline of human intelligence is controversial, even dangerous to academic careers. But as more data emerges, the silence is breaking. At Infinity Beyond, we believe these scientists are pioneers. They're asking not, "What is this rock?" but "What used to be here?" Not, "How old is this fossil?" but "What was it made with?" Because if there was a civilization before us, truly ancient, truly advanced, then the only place their legacy could hide is in plain sight, disguised by time and transformed by Earth itself. And maybe, just maybe, they left behind a message. Not a monument or artifact, but a pattern. Subtle, resilient, universal. Could that message be mathematical? Some scientists speculate that if an advanced species wanted to communicate across epochs, they would do so using prime numbers, golden ratios, or fractals, mathematics embedded into structures or encoded into materials that would last long after language and civilization were gone. Others propose the idea of crystal coding, data stored within crystalline lattices that could survive eons waiting to be unlocked. It may sound like sci-fi, but modern research into quartz-based data storage is already proving how information can be embedded in glass-like structures for thousands of years. So the big question becomes, have we already found something like this, but dismissed it as just another weird mineral? It's not impossible. Because Earth doesn't just bury civilizations, it remixes them, transforms them, fossilizes them in forms we may not yet recognize. Which means the next breakthrough won't come from digging deeper, but from looking closer. In the next segment, we'll take this journey one step further, into the realm of consciousness. Could intelligence itself leave a detectable imprint across time and space? And is it possible that our own awareness is part of a much older network of thought? Because perhaps the final legacy of a lost civilization isn't material at all. Perhaps it's you. Stay tuned.